Hey guys, welcome back. This is Garb here again, and today we are back with the fifth topic on mensuration and measurement from the 2003 to the 2007 PSLE Mathematics Past Year Question Paper Series. So, let's get started. John had 1.5 meters of copper wire. He cut some of the wire to bend it into a shape as shown in the figure below. In the figure, there are 6 equilateral triangles and the length of xy is equals to 19 cm. How much of the copper wire was left over? So, we know that the length of xy is equals to 19 centimeters, right? And these are 6 equilateral triangles, which means that if I break this figure up into 3 smaller figures, you would observe that xy constitutes of 3 bases of different equilateral triangles. We have one base over here, and the second base over here, and we have the third base over here, right? So now let's assume that the length of the largest base is a centimeters, the length of the medium sized base is b centimeters, and the length of the smallest base is c centimeters. So based on this, we know that a plus b plus c is equals to 19. And now since this figure is made up of 6 equilateral triangles, we know that the sides of the largest triangle are a and a, the medium sized triangle are b, and the sides of the smallest triangle are c. So if we find the total length of the copper wire used, we have a, this, plus a plus b plus b plus c plus c. This is for one side of the figure, and since the same length of the copper wire is being used on the other side, we can just multiply the value we obtained for this times 2. So if I break this up and simplify it, we have a plus b plus c plus a plus b plus c, and this whole thing times 2, because we have two sides. We have one side over here and the other side over here, right? So a plus b plus c is 19, as found over here, plus 19 times 2. And what is this? We get 38 times 2, which gives us 76. And now the important thing is, we must not forget the copper wire used for the inner bases of the triangle. So we have 76 centimeters. The perimeter is equals to 76 centimeters, right? And the inner length, or rather the length of xy, is equal to 19 cm. So it means the total length of copper wire used is equal to 76 plus 19, which is 95 centimeters. Right? So now the question says that he had 1.5 meters of wire, right, which is equals to 150 centimeters, and he used 95 centimeters. So this means that he has a total of 150 minus 95 centimeters. He has a total of 150 minus 95 centimeters of wire unused, which gives us 55 centimeters. So therefore he has 55 centimeters of wire unused. Yep. So your answer is 55 centimeters. The figure below shows a rectangle ABCD with a square removed. The ratio of the length of AB to the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD is 3:10. The difference between the length of AB and the height of AD is 5 cm. Find the perimeter of the shaded region. So as we begin, we should annotate the question. The question states that the ratio of length of AB to the perimeter AB of rectangle ABCD is 3:10, and the difference between the lengths of AB and the lengths of AD is 5 cm. So we need to find the perimeter of the shaded region. You would agree that the perimeter of the shaded region is the same as the perimeter of rectangle ABCD. Let's assume this point to be X, Y, and Z. So AD is equals to BZ, this length plus this length, BZ plus YX, and AB, this length is equals to DX plus YZ. We have AB is equals to DX plus YZ, right? And this gives us the perimeter of the whole rectangle. Since AB is equal to DX plus YZ, and in rectangle ABCD, AB is equals to DC, we can say that since AB is equal to DC, we can say that DC is also equals to DX plus YZ. And same for the height of this rectangle, the breadth of this rectangle. We have BC equals to AD. Should use a different color. BC is equals to AD, and over here we have established that AD is equal to BZ plus YX, which means that BC is also equals to BZ plus YX, right? So it means the perimeter of this whole shaded region ABZYXD is equal to the perimeter of ABCD. Now that's established, we can yes. So now we need to find the perimeter of the region, of the shaded region. The question states that the length of AB to the perimeter of the rectangle ABCD, AB to the perimeter of ABCD is 3:10. So it means that this length over here is 3 units, right? This also means that the length DC is 3 units, because this is a property of a rectangle. Opposite sides have the same length. We have this side is the same length as this whole DC, right? So the perimeter of this rectangle is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. I'll just cover this up, right? So now the perimeter of this rectangle is AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, and since AB and DC have the same length, which is 3U, we can say that 3u plus BC plus 3u plus AD is equals to 10 units. This 10 units comes from here, right? So now we can we know that 6 units plus AD plus BC is equals to 10 units, which means that AD plus BC is equals to 4 units, right? And AD, this side, is equals to BC over here. So the lengths of AD and BC, AD is equals to BC, is equals to 4 divided by 2, which gives us 2 units. So the length of the length of AD is 2 units. Now we have another key point where the difference between lengths of AB and AD is 5 cm, which means to say that AB minus AD is equals to 5 cm. Over here we found that AB is 3 units and AD is 2 units. These two highlighted portions, here and here. So now AB is 3 units minus AD is 2 units, which gives us 5 cm, right? So this means that 1 unit is equals to 5 centimeters. Now that 1 unit is 5 centimeters, the question states, or the ratio of AB is to the perimeter is 3:10, which means that the perimeter of the whole figure ABCD is 10 units. And if 1 unit is 5 centimeters, then 10 units is 5 times 10 centimeters. 10 times 5 centimeters. 10 times 5 centimeters, which gives us 50 centimeters. So the perimeter of the shaded portion, is 50 centimeters. Now the second part. Part B. The area of the shaded region was 114 centimeters square. Find the length of one side of the square that was removed. So over here I have reconstructed the figure, and we see that we have an unshaded region which forms a square. So now the area of the shaded portion, which is the area of the black region, is 114 centimeters square. The key to this question is first identifying the area, or finding out the area of this square on the bottom right hand corner. So how do we do that? That's simple. The area of, I'll label this square as A. So area of A, square A, is equals to the area of rectangle ABCD minus the area of the shaded region. So over here the area of the rectangle ABCD. In part A we found out that 1 unit is equals to 5 cm. So this means that AB, which is 3 units long, is 15 centimeters long, and meanwhile AD, which is 2 units, is 10 centimeters long. And the area of a rectangle, is equals to the length times its breadth, which in this case the length is 15 centimeters and the breadth is 10 centimeters, which gives us 150 centimeters squared. And now the area of the shaded portion is 114 centimeters, which means this area is 114 centimeters squared. So the area of rectangle, if I just divide this, So the area of A is equal to the area of the rectangle, which is 150, minus the area of the shaded region, which is 114 centimeters squared, which gives us 36 squared centimeters. So the area of A is 36 squared centimeters, right? And now the area of a square is just, if I draw a square over here and the area is 36 centimeters, 36 square centimeters, then we have the length. If length squared is equal to 36 square centimeters, then the length of the rectangle will be under root of 36 square centimeters, which gives us 6 centimeters. So it means the length of this square is 6 centimeters. So there you have the length of one side of the square is 6 centimeters. Yep, so those were the two questions for this video. If you happen to have any doubts, any questions, or anything you don't understand, feel free to put that down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer that. Yeah, please help me by sharing these videos to as many people as you can, so that many can benefit from these videos. And do stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. And if you would like to receive updates and notifications about any new video I post, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon so that you get notified on time. Thank you.